Let's get this thing going here. Hi, welcome to the Get Life Energy YouTube channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I am having one of those days where I want to get so much stuff done, and I just feel like I can't get anything done, or like that I'm not going to be able to get anything done completely, and that can feel very defeating, right? And I realized I'm like, well, it's probably because I have somewhere to go today, and because I have somewhere to go, I feel like I can't get too involved in any big projects. But something I can do is put my face on so I feel good to leave the house. Well, when I asked people what they wanted to learn about, I asked about a couple of my girlfriends said more makeup tutorials. So today I have a super quick, simple and supreme makeup tutorial for you. This is my daily wear look, and it's super simple. And the whole point is for it to happen quickly and for you to feel like you look professional and fresh and not like you just rolled out of bed, but that it doesn't take forever and it's not like big time consuming full shadow. So this is my daily look, and it's super simple, and I think it only takes me 10 minutes to do my makeup, but I don't really know because I've never timed myself. So now I'm going to time it and see how long it actually takes. Okay. I'm not a big fan of foundation, although I love how it looks and makes your skin look so even, but I'm recently bought some of this stuff from my esthetician. It's kind of fancy. It goes for about 40 bucks, but sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Okay, so I've already put lotion on. You should be putting lotion on every day, especially if you have dry skin, but sunscreen as well, because this is, if you live somewhere that has sun, it's a good idea. So this is a tinted sunscreen, tinted daily moisturizer that happens to look kind of like foundation. So when I talked to my esthetician and I was telling her about how I feel like I take good care of my skin and I've got pretty good skin, but like I'm worried about the sun damage over time with all the outdoorsy things I like to do, and I'm not a big fan of putting on foundation every day, and I'm not a big fan of putting on like sunblock on my face because it often feels really sticky and weird. Well, she's like, I've got this tinted sunblock that is going to change your life. So I just use a little bit, and it gives me this appearance of like I put on foundation. So I'm really digging it, and I'm going outside today, and it's sunny, so I'm doing it. All right. For the sake of knowing how long it takes me to do my makeup, I'm not going to go all down in here. I'm going to wear a high neck t-shirt. So, okay, you need your stuff. So you can do black eyeliner, you can do brown eyeliner. Today I'm doing brown. I really love brown eyeliner. I feel like it looks very soft and professional. I'm doing also like, again, these are my daily, this is how if I don't want to mess with trying to match my outfit or coordinate with my jewelry or whatever, I really do love matching my outfit and coordinating with my jewelry, which is funny because a lot of makeup artists say, don't ever match your outfit. But I'm like, why wouldn't I wear blue eyeshadow and a blue dress? I love it. But anyway, this is what, like I said, this is just the simple look. This is the no frills, okay? So I like these little pencil eyeliners because they twist, you don't have to sharpen. But, and if we have time, we're going to do brows too, but I do have a deadline right now of how long I can spend doing this. But, okay, I love a nice little pencil eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner, and I really am excited about trying out that tattoo eyeliner. I've never bought any of that yet because it's like $25 a tube. However, if it makes my life easier, I will, if it lasts all day, whatever. So that's like a liquid eyeliner. And for my last makeup for Burning Man, you know that I bought this cheap NYX brand Sharpie thing. And so if I was doing black, I'd be doing with that big fat, I love to do the wing and stuff too. But today we're doing the soft, simple brown look, the earth tones. You can use like a little bit of a bronzy shade or like a little bit of a creamy shade. But the idea is that I've realized with just wanting to have a simple daily makeup situation that looks nice is if you do earth tones, if you do brown, it matches whatever. You know what I mean? You could be wearing black, you can be wearing white, you could be wearing colors, and it just basically looks like you have a slightly enhanced eye. You know, that's all we're trying to do is define the eye. And I remember one time my mom mailed me some makeup, like some eyeshadow, and she's like, "You don't wear a lot of earth tones, and I want to see you with earth tones." This is one of those eyeliners that has a little smudgy thing on the end. This is Revlon Color Stay. I kind of like the smudgy thing. You can kind of like soften the edges or try to like blend it a little bit. If you go like around the bottom of your eye with a little bit of shadow too, you get that kind of Keira Knightley look going on of like this like brown, like chocolate. You look at pictures of her. She's always got this like chocolatey brown eyeshadow going on, and I'm like, I look at that going like, no one actually wears their makeup like that, but she does, and she rocks it. And she looks amazing. So, you know, do you? I want to do something like. What I like about this is I could just stop here, put mascara on, and I'm done. No lips, no brows, just eyeliner, mascara, boom. Okay. But today I'm going to give you the full spiel. So we got a little bit of a brownie color. I've had this for years, as you can see. And a brush. Simple. Oh, the other thing I was going to tell you about this is that this is all one small makeup bag of stuff. So I don't need to tote around a bunch of stuff. This is like, I could like throw this thing in my car, you know, I could go somewhere for the weekend and just grab this bag, and I know that everything is in there for me to do a black eyeliner, a brown eyeliner, a blue eyeliner, and a little bit of shadow and a little bit of lips. So no matter what, I'm good to go. All right, so you're just filling in your entire lid with the brown's darker shade, okay? If you have a brush cleaner or if you want to switch brushes, whatever, rub it on your towel. Now, a little bit lighter color. This is a, like, what do you call that? It's like almost like a khaki. This is the nothing color. My sister and I often talk about the, like, oh, you know, like this makeup that's like nothing. And it's so dumb, but it's like nude, you know, it's like a color that is a non-color. It's a color that blends into your skin tone, basically. So I just did that like in the middle, and that's it. If I wanted to go, you know, bolder, if I was going out for dinner, I'd go highlight the corner right there with a light color. But I'm not going out to dinner. I'm just gonna go to an appointment. Another thing, oh my gosh, 7 minutes. We're doing great. This is an eyebrow pencil that has a little brush built into it, so you can like comb out your brow before you put the. But I don't have a pencil sharpener, and it's way too dull. But that thing works great. You just like draw with the pencil if it's nice and sharp. But here's my new favorite thing. You get one of these angled brushes. I bought this from my esthetician, and I asked her, I go, do you have some good eyebrow stuff? And she's like, oh yeah, I've got it. So her little eyebrow pressed powder stuff came with its own brush, but I find this brush to be a little too hard, and I want the eyebrows to look soft. Okay, so this is actually easier to do than the pencil, and it doesn't look as bright and fake. Now, penciling it on you can have these like dark, you know, like lines where it's like you obviously drew your brows on. And I'm blessed with some bushy ass brows and nice dark hair, but I just like to fill in a little bit, and the nice like angle of the brush makes it super easy to do that. I do a little like finish off the inside. One day maybe I'll just tattoo it, but I don't know. I like having the option. So we're just filling in that internal corner. And then the rest of the brow is good, except for that little patch right there. Okay, and then, of course, you gotta make sure the tail. The The other cool thing about putting it on with a brush is like the brush kind of like combs the hair. Um, if I was doing a big makeup for whatever reason, I would brush the eyebrow hairs out before applying to make sure that they were even. Man, are my brows that different looking? Feels like one looks different than the other. Maybe it's just because my lighting is only on one side of my head. I'm trying to make sure it's bright enough in here. Okay, we're almost done. Almost done. 9 minutes, 57 seconds. My sister gave me this. I don't know what it is. She's got it from a makeup delivery box. But she said, it's kind of nothing. Again, the color is so close to your natural tone, or at least for us with our skin tone. It's so similar that you barely can see it. But that's perfect for work because it just looks simple. I don't look like I'm really wearing much makeup. Okay, so this is a lip pencil or a lip. It's kind of like a lipstick, but it goes on more like, it's not super creamy. It's more, it's like dry. I like it because I put it on and it's pretty dry. It doesn't, just a little pigment. Pretty much looks like the same color as my lips. Okay. Last but not least, I just learned this trick from watching a tutorial myself, and I thought, how did I not know about this? Okay, you see how I lifted up my eyebrow just the tiniest smidge? Well, I never knew that you were supposed to do that. But, game changer. It gets the freaking corner lashes into the stupid machine, so you're not just creating a crease where you don't really want it. All right, let's see how that went. Didn't do so good on that setting. Focus what I'm doing here. There we go. I can feel that the thing is closer to the 15 minutes. All right, I gotta go. But we put brows on, so that's legit. "15 minutes until my appointment, that is, but not 15 minutes to do this makeup." And you don't need to wear makeup. You wear makeup because you like it. No one needs to wear it. But I like to look professional and look awake, and it makes me feel more confident, about being out and about. I don't know, I feel like more present, And some days I just do eyeliner and mascara. Some days I don't wear makeup and I just wear sunblock. But most days my goal is to leave the house looking like this, with a little bit of shadow and maybe a little bit of brows. And there you go. Nice, professional, simple, including talking to you, 13 minutes. Boom! Not bad. All right, friends, enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, all the good things. Yeah, have a beautiful day, and I hope that this helps you out with a little simple routine to take care of your skin and have that appearance of that you spent way more time on this than 13 minutes. All right. Next time. Bye.